In the present video, we will investigate the thrilling universe of writing for a blog and tell you the best way to bring in cash online as a blogger. Here are a few central issues to consider. Crowd allure. Select a specialty with an interest group that is sufficiently huge to create traffic and interest, however not excessively expansive that you can't bear outing. Enthusiasm and information. Writing for a blog is a drawn-out responsibility. So pick a subject you really appreciate and can give significant data about. Contest examination. Explore different online journals in your picked specialty to comprehend your opposition and track down ways of separating yourself. Quality written substance is the final deciding factor in the publishing content to a blog world. To draw in pursuers and make them want more, center around quality composition. Compose well-informed, connecting with, and mistake-free articles. Visuals. Use pictures, infographics, and recordings to improve your substance. Consistency. Keep a predictable presenting plan on. Keep your crowd locked in. Website design enhancement advancement. Find out about site improvement, web optimization to work on your blog's perceivability in query items. Presently, we should discuss how to bring in cash from your blog. There are a few demonstration AdSense promotion organizations. Show advertisements on your blog and bring in cash in view of snaps or impressions. Associate showcasing, advance items or administrations pertinent to your specialty and procure commissions for each deal made through your partner joins. Supported posts. Work together with brands and compose supported content for them. Sell advanced items. Make and sell digital books, courses, or printables connected with your specialty. Enrollment locales. Offer premium substance to supporters for a month-to-month charge. Independent composition. Utilize your blog as a portfolio to get independent composing gigs. Building a dedicated crowd is urgent for long-haul achievement. This is how it's done. Draw in with your crowd, answer remarks, messages, and online entertainment messages. Web-based entertainment advancement. Offer your substance on friendly stages to contact a more extensive crowd. Email showcasing. Assemble an email list and send normal pamphlets to keep your perusers informed. As a blogger, it's fundamental to know about lawful and moral contemplations. Exposure. Consistently reveal supported content and member connects to keep up with straightforwardness with your crowd. Copyright. Regard intellectual property regulations and just use pictures and content that you have authorization to utilize. Security. Safeguard your pursuers' protection and consent to information assurance guidelines. Finally, the video has come to a conclusion. If you found it helpful, please click like below and think about subscribing to see more content like this.